Bob Johnson with PK&W Model Works coming at you with another video, this time my third and last in my series on making my own acoustic foam panel. So I can hear you asking right now, so these quick acoustic foam panels, do they really work? So I set up this experiment. I'm in a full bath with absolutely no sound conditioning, no carpet, no towels, and certainly no acoustic foam panels. And this is what it sounds like. And this is what the same room sounds like with sound conditioning. I've got 3, 4, 5 panels in here, plus I reinstalled the rug, and I think you can tell the difference. I don't have anything in the cloud, and this room is the worst possible room for echoes because of it's full of hard surfaces, but nonetheless, I think you can hear the difference pretty clearly. This is what it sounds like without any sound conditioning. And this is what it sounds like with some sound conditioning. This is what it sounds like in this room without any sound conditioning. And this is what it sounds like with the acoustic foam panels installed. So before I sign off, I want to make sure that you're not saying, Bob, that was a ridiculous test. It was in a bathroom. That was an artificial environment. Well, you know, that may be true. I wanted to prove that they work. And in a big room like my studio with a lot of surfaces that already help condition the sound a little bit, it might have been difficult to capture the effect of the panels. But keep in mind that I made these panels portable so that I could move them close to me, just like they were close in that bathroom. And so I think it was probably a fairer test than you might think. What I didn't talk about at the beginning of this series is why do it in the first place. So I'll mention it now. If you don't condition the sound of the room, if you don't have some panels up, some drapery, some things to prevent sound from bouncing around the room, you're going to get sound returning to your microphone out of phase, and it's going to sound hollow, it's going to sound like you're in a barrel, it's going to sound echoey and not very clear. And so you need to condition the sound in the room in order to get better sound. And sound is very important. Anyone who knows anything about making YouTube videos knows that sound is almost as important as video. If you have bad sound, people are not going to watch your videos. So having some acoustic foam panels to condition sound and improve the sound on your videos, time and money well spent. Until next time, Bob Johnson with PK&W Model Works signing off. Keep on modeling.